it.
Okay, you ready? Here we go. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names like Pinocchio. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, ho, ho, ho! Rudolph, with your nose so bright, you got my sleigh tonight. Then how the reindeer loved him. Here it comes, as they shouted out with glee, yippee! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you go down in history. Yay!
Say Merry Christmas.